Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 31st of March. Before we do get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances has not been taken into consideration. Okay, so let us start off and let's have a look at what's happened overnight. There was not much happening last night, but in the US, we had a solid day for the US dollar yesterday as GDP came in at 2.1%, which was above the forecast, and we had unemployment claims at 258,000, which was actually better than the original forecast, which was later revised to 244,000 job claims. So what does this mean? Essentially, this data is consistent with a solid labour market as we're starting to see the US dollar hold some ground against the majors, and really we're going to need to watch this space. At the moment, the market is being dominated a lot by fiscal policy and the politics of the situation at the moment. So let's keep an eye on that and let's see what happens. That was pretty much all we had yesterday, so that basically means we're straight into the chart of the day. All right, so what do we have today? Let's have a look. What is it? We have the Euro Swiss dollar on a 4-hour chart. Okay, so you can see from the chart segment that I've caught for us, we can see that we have a solid support line. The market's come to this level several times and bounced off it. We are there again, and the question now remains is, will it bounce again or will it break through? At the moment, at the time of me recording this little candle right here where I'm holding my mouse has not finished. So what we're waiting for is we're waiting for this candle to finish, and if it finishes as an inside candle, then we can basically place our pending order on the next candle, which is probably about 2 hours away from right now, and we've got a trade. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for an inside candle. We need to wait for the current candle to finish to see if it plays out. So that's the chart of the day today. It's the Euro Swiss on a 4-hour time frame. All right, so let's see what's happening in the final session of the week. The final session of the week we have tonight at 7:30. We have GBP, the current account figure is due out, and at 11:30 we have GDP number for the CAD. That's pretty much all that's happening. Remember, this is my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Times, and I guess this is an opportune time to remind everybody on the east coast of Australia that daylight saving ends this week, so make sure we wind our clocks backwards. I think it's at 3 a.m. on Sunday morning that it happens, and so that you're up to date. So guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.